So can someone go ahead and begin reading the instructions for me as I pass these out?
Measure the following set of steps to determine rise over run. Use the chart in the steps and slope activity sheet to document your measurements. Be sure to use the scale of 1/8 if the one. Actual to determine the actual measurements of the stairs.
Okay, so let's do this part. I want each of you, you have rulers at your desk, you have the smaller ones in your cup, and you have the larger ones laying on the table. No, let's do these 3 tables, problem number 1. You two tables do problem number 2. Okay? We're gonna do it individually. Then we'll take a moment to where you can talk with those that are assigned the same problem, and then we'll talk out loud as a class. Okay? You're going to have 5 minutes to work individually. Your time begins now. Use your ruler to measure. Measure your rise and your run. What side are we using, centimeters or inches? Inches. You are now at 2 minutes. Okay, that is time. What I need you all to do now is I need you to turn and talk to all those persons, and you can get up out of your seat and walk to a person and
well, number 1, I got 2 8s for the rise, 3 8s for the run.
How you get 2 8s?
If I measure the rise,
When you put it on the thing, don't equal.
see this is 2 8.
I got 1
Look,
8.
Then if I measure the
she
run,
said that's 1/8, that's 6/9,
it's 3
No, I didn't. I used 1 right.
I ain't measure mine like that.
Boom, 2 8s.
I didn't measure mine like that.
Got it right.
I didn't measure mine like that.
I got 3
He
8s.
got 2 8.
I got 3.
That's what I got. 'Cause
3
they
8s.
measured theirs different from how I measure mine.
I got 3 8s.
I measure mine going across the step like that. Yeah,
That's-
they
that's-
measuring
that's
theirs.
wrong.
I know. I did mine like going across. I
I
did
went
mine the little thing right there.
Like this.
Yeah.
That's how I measure mine too. Cause
Then I
he
had
measure
went
his
up.
going up like that.
Man, Will got 3 8s. I'm sticking to 3 8s.
so you all are having that discussion. So who do you feel made the better choice of what to measure? You think Will and Jalen made the better choices? Okay. So what did you all get? To have a discussion because didn't you all measure the same problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
What you got?
3 8s for the first one. 3 8s.
I got 3 8s.
I got 3 8s for both of them.
But the rise and the run should be different.
No, I know the rise is 3 8s. So, no, I don't know what the run is. I ain't do the run.
You didn't get to the okay.
Okay, but he had
So you
did it wrong because when you do
he did his like this
the
and
run,
he got 2
okay, never mind, you doing it right, never mind, never mind.
okay. Maya mentioned that so I look at your paper, Maya, and you have 3 8 equals 1. Did you go back and look at your instructions on what they said about your A measurement, your ruler measurement versus your actual? What I need everyone to do now that you've had your discussion, go back to your seats and let's see what we came up with whole class. Are you ready? For those of you that had problem number 1, can you please lead us, anyone, in what we need to do and how we need to do it? You may come up here, show us what needs to be done, and show us and give us the outcome. I need a volunteer from this group. Oh, ooh, and 2 of them ready to hop up. You can take your ruler if you like, and your pencil, or you can use my color pencil.
I took my ruler.
They can't see.
They can't see?
No, they can't see.
I gotta slide it back up.
There you go.
Yeah, I get a paper ruler or something.
You sure can. There you go.
I took my ruler and I went like this. Then I came to the top. And I got 3/8.
Okay, you measured what? Back this off. Show us what you measured. Draw a line showing us what you measured.
It's there right here.
From where to where?
To the top.
What do you mean to the top? No.
Rise.
Use your pencil and draw a line to show me what all you measured.
Yes.
Just that. Okay. All right. So in just measuring that, what was your measurement?
I got 3/8.
You got 3/8. Okay. And what part of that are you measuring? What is that part of the stairwell called?
The rise.
You measured the rise, and he got 3/8. You can write that in. Okay. Show us the next thing you measured.
Then I did the run. And I got the same thing.
What's the same thing?
3/8.
You got 3/8. Okay. Write that in. Based on what he just showed you, how many of you all agree? By a show of hands, how many of you all agree based on what he showed you that he's 3/8? Okay? All right. Now, someone in the audience, tell us what his actual measurement is. If this is his ruler measurement, they said the scale was 1/8 to 1/8 inch to 1 inch. So for every 1/8 inch you have, it equals 1 inch in real life. So can somebody now tell us what his actual real life measurement is? 3 what? 3
Inches.
It is now 3 inches. So now what I'm going to give you now that you all have completed that portion, what I'm now going to give you is the portion where we're going to go outside and do our actual measurements. I have a few items that you will be able to use to measure. You will be able to use these dice. I have a measuring tape. Each group will use a measuring tape. Now, do I have a measuring tape? I have a tape measure. So I have something you see most construction workers use. And I have the kind that you'll see most seamstresses use. Okay? And then I also have dominoes for you to use. So whichever one you choose for your group, that's what you'll use. Okay? I'm going to give you your document, and on your document there are 2 preliminary questions that we want to ask, that we want answered before you leave. 2 preliminary questions that we want answered before you leave. So read the questions number 1 and 2. Read questions 1 and 2. Did I give you too many? Yes. Read questions 1 and 2. And jot down really quickly what you think you should use, what tool, what equation, what skill do you think you should use to answer this question?
Ms. Smith said go to these locations. J110, Alpha South, Center Stable, and Arturo.
I'm gonna use dice to do the rise over run. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and
Now, Yeah, make sure your dice are straight as you're doing it, because otherwise it won't be an accurate measurement.
What you got?
It's 19. Why they have a curve on this thing? It's 19.
Is it 19?
For the
A
run?
full 19?
Yes.
For the run, right?
What about that blue one? Look at the blue one. Is the blue one on the stairs?
Yes.
Let it go.
You got a curve.
So it's not completely secure there. So how much would that be?
19 and a half.
Is it is 19 and a half or 18 and a half?
18.
18 and a half.
Okay.
Now we gotta do it. Oh.
So now you have to do the what?
Rise. 3,
3,
4,
4, 5. 5 and a half.
We got 5 and a half at Alpha South.
Run. Hold on.
Run with 18 in it.
Yeah, run. 18 and a half. And ride is 5. Cup.
We're gonna measure this step and this step. 52.
You got it.
1 and 12 and a half.
Okay. Now she's taking the tape measure. You measured here and you said 12 and a half or maybe 12. But she's taking the tape measure and measuring all the way down. Should she be doing that?
No, she should not. She should be doing this step and going up.
Okay. Well, we need to correct her on that because obviously she's confused about what it is that she's supposed to be doing.
You're not supposed to measure all of it. You're just supposed to measure this
Step.
step right here and this,
Okay.
which is 12. So we're gonna put down 12. That's for the run. The run is 12.
The run is 12.
The rise is 18. Five.
The rise is
The
5.
ride is 5.
They go on top of them.